Hello guys, welcome back to this Python course. And today we are going to see about the if-else function in Python programming language. So okay, let's begin the course. And what is if-else function? So the if-else function is also called as the Elif function. Elif. If I type Elif, you can able to see that the code is changing into purple color. Okay. So first of all, I am assuming the age is equal to 10. And if the age greater than 18, what I'm going to do print eligible to vote. Okay. And elif, which means else if is now transformed into elif. Okay, so you can type elif, elif age less than 10. Okay, print age less than 10. Okay, or else print not sorry not eligible to vote. Okay, so this is the code which I want to write here. After that, just click on run. After clicking on run, you can go to see output. Wait a second. Okay, so I'm so sorry. I'm changing it to A. Yeah, now you can able to see. So I'm just entering the age as 10 and it is just printing not eligible to vote. After that I'm changing the age to 9. After that you can able to see age is less than 10. Okay. If I again run the code with the age of 20 and you can able to see eligible to vote. So this is the